Hello, I'm Catherine Willson with the law firm Goldman Sloan Nash & Haber in Toronto. This video is about helping Canadian contractors get paid in the construction industry. Construction is about cash flow. If you think about it, contractors are the first tier of financing in any construction project. Contractors self-finance material and services contributed to a project. If they're lucky, they'll get paid in 30 days. Often it's 90 days or longer. Contractors have no security for the money they spend on a construction project. The industry needs to change. Owners and developers have to realize that construction wouldn't happen in this country without financing provided by the trades, and trades should be paid promptly. Owners pay construction lenders promptly. Trades should be treated no differently. If your cash flow is being hurt on a project because your customer isn't paying you, we can help. By filing a construction lien for unpaid services and materials, a contractor has some protection from a defaulting customer. The construction lien will act as a lien against the land for the value of an unpaid trade's work on the project. In Ontario, a contractor has 45 days to file a construction lien from the date of the last supply of services and materials to a project, or from the date of publication of a certificate of substantial performance, whichever comes first. The Construction Lien Act requires the contractor to publish a certificate of substantial performance in a construction trade newspaper, like the Daily Commercial News. The last date of supply of services and materials must be for contract work or extras. Rectifying deficiencies does not count. To register a lien, I recommend that you use the services of a lawyer. But there are things you can do as a contractor that do not require a lawyer's assistance. First, under Section 24 of the Construction Lien Act, you can deliver a letter or email providing written notice of lien. In this letter or email, you must identify the project, the name of your defaulting customer, and the amount you are owed. If you send this letter to the company paying your customer, it will stop the flow of funds to your customer until you get paid. If you send this letter to a mortgagee or the financial institution funding the project, it will stop the flow of funds to the entire project. This is one letter, and it is a very powerful tool. If you are performing construction services for a tenant of a building, the construction lien would only attach to the tenancy, which isn't very helpful. If you want the lien to attach to the land, there is a notice document that you can serve on a landlord before you commence the work that will bind the landlord and the land to the construction lien. This is Section 19 of the Construction Lien Act. Finally, under Section 39 of the Construction Lien Act, you can send a letter to the payor of your customer demanding the state of accounts between your customer and its payor. If your customer is telling you that they aren't getting paid, and that's the reason that you aren't getting paid, you can double check this information with its payor. The payor has 21 days to get you the requested information about the state of accounts between it and your payor. If it does not, and you suffer damages as a result, for example, your customer disappears, the payor can be held liable for your damages caused by its failure to respond promptly to your request. Keep watching for more videos providing Canadian contractor with tips on getting paid. This is Catherine Willson with Goldman Sloan Nash & Haber.